Now we are topic next running a query. Okay, student. Now running a query means simple how you can run a program. Okay, or you can say run a query. So student, simple. You can run a query. You go to the run command. Okay, like that. You go to the run command, and from this option you can click on that, and you can run the query. Okay. Okay, student. Now this is your table. Okay. Now this is your table. You can select this table, and you can run this table. Okay, so from this method you can run. Next is the saving a query. Student, you go to the file menu. Okay, and you can also press the Ctrl S. Okay, from this option you can go to the yes, one dialog box will be open. Then there you give the name, and after you can click on the OK. From this method you can open the you can save the file. Okay, now query. Now next are types of query. So student, basically three types of query: simple query, unmatched query, duplicate query. So what is simple query? Simple query is used to ask some particular questions about data in the database. It means same in the same table. Unmatched query is a query basically to find the record one table that do not have corresponding value in the second table. Means whatever contained in the first table, that will not contain the next table. That is known as unmatched. Now duplicate value is what? Duplicate value is a display the record that have same value one or more specified field. Means that is called duplicate values. Okay, now next is the criteria. Now student, criteria is what? Criteria is basically first one is using text data type. Okay, in the text data type you have to apply the criteria. Means simple, you can say conditions. Okay, if you want to record the access from the conditions, so from this method we can access the record according to that. So criteria you can apply. Suppose we have a table. Okay, and the student will take up participate in the dance, that is a Kathak, okay, Bharatnatyam, etc. So we find the record of the student who is taken the part in the Kathak. Okay, so from this method we can apply and access the record. So basically here is the three student who take a part in the Kathak, that is as a dance. Okay, so student, now this is an assignment question. If you feel any problem regarding them, then ask me. Okay, thank you.